All right, so good morning. I'm back again at Lily Lake. This is the second time I've been on a kayak, and I figure, like I said, this is probably the best lake to do so because of there's nobody here, and it's a calm lake. The wind's not blowing. Let's see if we can get up on some bass. Again, this is the beautiful lake right here. I already see some activity. Let's get it started. Stay tuned and we'll get her done. I'm at these little lilies here, and I did get a frog, but they were bait shop was kind of lacking in the frog department, so it's a cheap frog. But we're gonna see if we can make something happen with it. It's this guy right here. It's soft, so. Alright. So I went to the VA like the last week or the week before for my yearly physical. And so get there, the last physical I had, I had high cholesterol. Actually, since 2019, I had high cholesterol and high blood sugar and stuff like that. So they put me on this statin. And in 2019, they put me on this statin. So I've been taking it solid, since 2019. And I go back to my physical with a different doctor, of course. It's a VA. And the doc was like, dude, your liver enzymes are like uber high, right? And I'm like, well, what the heck does that mean? And he was like, well, you got fatty liver. And, I didn't pay no mind or whatever. And then, I just started changing my diet recently. So, oh crap. He, told me to keep on taking my statin, and then he calls me like 5 o'clock in the evening. And he's like, oh dude, you need to stop taking a statin. I was like, why? Because he said that the statin that I'm on can cause liver damage. And I was like, dude, I've been taking this stuff every day since 2019, and you guys are just now telling me that this stuff causes liver damage. So yeah, that's my VA story right there. Gotta love it. I love the VA. Anyways, I see a bunch of fish popping at the surface here, so I don't know if it's bass or bluegill or what, but we're gonna find out. Hopefully we get on something. So I'm gonna try this little break in the lilies here with I'm gonna try the yum dinger. Okay, get over that lily pad here. It looks really shallow right there, but got one. Oh yeah, that's a little guy. First catch of the day. If I can get this guy out, he's hooked pretty good in there. I'm trying to toward my yum dinger though. There goes. All right, first fish of the day. success. Let him go. Right in that little break of the lilies. Let me, I gotta get another plastic. He tore up that yum dinger. Let's see what we got. Like, all right. Oh yeah, got some trench hogs here. I'm gonna see if I can get into the other break of the lilies right there. All right, I'm trying to be as quiet as I can right here. Dang squirrels. Oh, I just cast it right on top of that bass. Got him. Oh, I got him. Yeah, I do. Oh, he spit it out. Dang it. Oh, you got freaking leg off of the or the trench hog. So as I was about to leave, I figured I'd toss this guy out one more time, and I nailed a small pike. And yeah, this is gonna be fun. Like I've never, this is my first pike get hooked into, on this boat or kayak, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get this guy off without him biting me. Slimy little filler. There he goes. All right, I had to let him go, man. I like pike, but I hate catching them because they're slimy as heck. But caught him on the old yum dinger here. All right, now it does it for me. I'm going home. All right, you guys take it easy. All right, so this about does it for me. I'm about to head home. Caught two little bass. I'm not gonna complain. It's better than nothing. Yeah, I think my biggest takeaway is getting more familiar with this kayak, and I'm doing all right. I mean, it's fall, so it's gonna be kind of chilly. I think I'm about to put it up for the winter and work on it during the winter. Yeah, I think my next video or my next expedition, I'm gonna head up north and get on some smallie. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and like and comment this video. Yeah, you guys have a good one. Love, peace, chicken grease.